Good morning, students. Today we will write the workbook part and the textbook part of lesson 2, Anecdotes of Missile Man. Okay, open your textbook first. Open page number 16. Page number 16. Okay, play with words. Match the words with the meanings. Here, column A, some words are given here, and column B also related to that the words are given. We have to match. See the first. Pious. Pious meaning what, students? See, search, holy, fixed, motivation, a special meal. So what is the correct answer? Yes, holy, right? So write B here. Next, quest. Quest meaning what? Yes, search. So write A. Next, feast. Feast means what? Yes, you are right. A special meal. E. Write E here. Okay, what is the next question? Embedded. Embedded means what? Can you say? Yes, you are right. Fixed. Embedded means fixed. Write C. Next, fifth one. Inspiration. Inspiration means what? Yes, motivation. Inspiration means motivation. Write D. Okay. Now, come, let's go to the next exercise. E. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given in the brackets. Number 1. Abdul Kalam belonged to dash. Here in the option, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. What is the right answer? Yes, Tamil Nadu. So write TAMILNADU, Tamil Nadu. Okay. Next, World War II broke out in. World War II broke out in which year? 1914 or 1939? Yes, 1939. Write down. 1939. Okay. See the next. Pandit Shiva Subramaniam Iyer was Kalam's dash teacher. Pandit Shiva Subramaniam Iyer was Kalam's which subject? Which subject teacher? Yes, science, right? Write down science spelling. SCIENCE. Science. Next, Abdul Kalam passed away on dash. Options: 27 March 2014, 27 July 2015. So, when did Abdul Kalam, the great person, passed away? Yes, 27 July 2015. So, write down 27 July 2015. Okay. Now, spelling. F. Circle the correct spellings. See, A and B and C. Here, in these rows, one word is correct. I mean the spelling. Inspiration. What is the correct spelling? Inspiration. Yes. Here, INSPIRATION. Inspiration. What we have to do? We have to circle it. So circle inspiration spelling. Option B. Next, simplicity. Simplicity. What is the correct spelling? Yes, here simplicity. Simplicity. Circle it. Next, opportunity. Opportunity spelling. Yes, Opportunity. Opportunity, right? Circle it. Okay, circle neatly, ma. Opportunity. Opportunity. Okay. Next, integration. Integration. What is the correct spelling? Yes, here Integration. Integration. Okay. Now, let's know what is a subject and a predicate. We have already learned this in our grammar class, right? A subject and predicate. Subject means a person's or thing's names. Predicate? Predicate will tell what the subject is, right? For example, look here. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is truly a great man. So, what is the name here or thing? Yes, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, right? What is he? Yes, he is truly a great man. That is predicate. So, the subject is person or thing, and the predicate will tell the remaining part of the sentence contains predicate. Okay. Now, look here, students. Match the subject with the correct predicates to make complete sentences. So here we have to match here subject and here predicate. Okay, we have to match the correct meaning for this. Look here. The earth. The earth. So the earth. What is the answer? Yes, revolves round the sun. The earth revolves round the revolves around the sun. See. Right, see here. Next, Ramakrishna Iyer. Ramakrishna Iyer was Kalam's mathematics teacher. D. Right, D here. Okay. Now, Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram. Yes, is a part of Tamil Nadu. In Rameshwaram, who was born? Yes, Kalam was born in Rameshwaram. Right? It is a part of Tamil Nadu. So, right here B. Next, Abdul Kalam. Tell me, one remind. Yes, is known as a missile man. A. Okay, students. Next exercise. H. Circle the subject and underline the predicate in each of these sentences. So we have already know that subject means a person's name or thing, and the remaining all predicate. Okay, means subject. The predicate will tell what or whom what the subject is. Okay. Now see, Kalam's mother, Ashiyamma, was a simple and pious lady. So here, name what? Yes, tell me. Kalam's mother, Ashiyamma, right? So circle it. Okay, good. Underline the predicate. The remaining part all predicate. Okay. Next, Pandit Shiva Subramaniam Iyer taught science to Kalam. So, name what? Pandit Shiva Subramaniam Iyer. So circle it. Very easy. Okay. And the remaining part? Taught science to Kalam. That is predicate. Okay. Next, the newspaper bundles were being thrown from the moving train. So, what here? The newspaper bundles. Think this is right. So, circle the newspaper bundles. Okay. Remaining all predicate. Okay. Next. Sahir is the best pace bowler in our team. So, name here? Sahir. The remaining all predicate. Okay. Next, the peacock is the national bird of India. What is the? Yes, here the name here. What? The peacock, right? Peacock is an animal. So we can use animals also. Okay. What? Is the national bird of India? Predicate. Okay. Turn on the next page. Communication skills. Okay. See here. Your teacher will read out some descriptions. Listen carefully and write names of the children below the correct photographs. Okay. Now see here, students. What can you see? Yes, here. Who? A man. A boy is watching an aeroplane, right? Shall we give a name for this fellow? Yes, we can give Aman. We can give him a name and I will give him what? I will give him Aman. Shall we write? Okay. Wait. Your teacher will read out some descriptions. Listen carefully and write names of the children below the correct photographs. Okay. So I will read a description and you have to tell the subject here. Okay. Means the name. Okay. See. Listen. Aman is watching an aeroplane. So in this sentence, what is the subject that I have told? Aman, right? Yes, that is the description that I have told. See, your teacher will read out some description. Listen carefully and write names of this. So, Aman is watching an aeroplane. So what is the name that I have read here? Aman. So write Aman here. A-M-A-N. Aman. See the next picture? Yes. Here Raju is reading a book. What is Raju doing? Yes, Raju is reading a book. So what is the name that I have told here now? Raju, right? So, right here, Raju, R-A-J-U, Raju. Next. Yes, what is this? Who is she? Supriya is walking. So, in this sentence, what is the name that I have told now? Supriya, right? So, S-U-P R-I-Y-A, Supriya. Next. Here. Priya is eating her breakfast. This is Priya. Priya is eating her breakfast. So what is the name that I have told? Priya. Right, Priya? P-R-I-Y-A. Priya. Next. Suraj is watering plants. See? Who is watering plants? Suraj. Suraj is watering plants. So what is the name that I have told now? Write down here. Suraj. S-U-R-A-J. Suraj. Okay. Next picture, see. Rohit and Naman are playing cricket. See, two boys, Rohit and Naman. These two are playing cricket. So what names that I have told now? Yes, Rohit and Naman. Write down. R-O-H-I-T. Rohit and whom? Naman. Okay. N-A-M-A-N. Naman. Okay. So, understood, students? So, naming words, names. The sentence that when I read the sentence, you find out the names from that sentence. That's what we have done here. Okay. Now, look, students. The conversation given below is between two friends. Complete the conversation in your own words. See, this is a conversation between two friends. What they are talking about, shall we see? Yes, and now see, Atul. Atul and Abhi. Both are talking about something. Let us find out what they are talking about. Okay? Atul. Hello. How are you feeling now? Abhi. I'm not feeling well. Thank you. Next you see. Atul. When will you come to school? Abhi. The doctor. We have to complete this. What will be the answer that Abhi given? Yes, maybe Abhi given like this. Doctor said to take bed rest. Right? Shall we write? The doctor said to take bed rest. Okay. Now, Atul is giving the reply. That's great. Then what will be? He told. That's great. Take care, right? Maybe he said like this. Take care. If we are in the hospital or we are in the place of these two, we too will talk like this, I think, right? Next, Abhi. What will be? Abhi said then. That's great. Take care. Then, what will be the next reply? Abhi given. Thank you. Right? Yes, write down. THANKYOU. Thank you. Next, Atul. If anyone will say thanks to you, what will you give reply? What is the reply that you will give? You are welcome, right? Yes. You are welcome. You are welcome. Okay, this is the conversation. Now, K. APJ Abdul Kalam was an ideal Indian and a source of inspiration for people all over the world. He had many human qualities in him. Despite of having a good many number of qualities, he was simple and honest. He sacrificed his whole life serving selflessly for the motherland. Which quality of his would you like to imbibe? Write in the space given below. So here we have to write about Abdul Kalam. How did you like him? What are the qualities that inspired you to follow Abdul Kalam? This is the thing that we have to write. I will write some of his qualities that I like. Okay, you can write your own or you can write the same. Okay, why I like Abdul Kalam? Because first of all, he was a teacher. I will write this. Okay, he was a teacher. T-A-C-H-E-R, teacher, who wanted to guide, G-U-I-D-E, guide the youth, Y-O-U-T-H, youth of India. Youth of India. Why I like and what are the qualities that I like in Abdul Kalam? The first thing was he was a teacher and he wanted to guide the youth of India. Always he wanted to guide the youth of India. Next point that I have like is his values and personality. Okay, his, write number 1 here and this is number 2. His values, value spelling V-A-L-U-E-S. His values and personality, P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L-I-T-Y. Okay, and the next point that I like him and his works. What about his works? He was a hard worker and his works. Okay, next fourth point was he was a hard worker. His works, many works that he have done, and another thing, he was a hard worker. He was a hard worker. Hard worker. He was a hard worker. Okay. Next, fifth one. His way of thinking. His way of thinking. Okay, his way of thinking. These are some of the qualities that I like to imbibe Abdul Kalam. Okay, you can write your own points or you can copy the same thing. Okay, next open your workbook, students. Open your workbooks. Okay, this all you have to copy from the textbook. Okay, students, copy everything from the textbook and see. Next, meanings you have to copy from the textbook. Okay, we have already written meanings in the classwork. You can copy it. Okay, next one is write opposites for the following. we have to write opposites. Okay. See the question. Simplicity. Simplicity opposite word. Can you tell? Simplicity. Simplicity means complexity. Okay. COMPLIPLEXITY. Complexity. Okay. Emergency. Emergency means calm. Okay. CALM. Calm. Popular. Unpopular. Popular. Unpopular. Wife. Husband. Wife opposite husband. Okay. Next, write true or false. Okay. Write T for true and F for false. First one, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, truly a great man. Is it true or false? Yes, true. Right? Next, Kalam spent many hours staring at the sky. Is it right? Yes, true. Always he look at the sky and see the difference that is going on in the sky. Pandit Subramaniam Iyer was the social teacher of Kalam. False or true? This is false, right? He was the science teacher, not social teacher. Next, Abdul Kalam was born in Karnataka. Students, did he born in Karnataka? No, he was born in Tamil Nadu. So this is false, right? Next, Kalam was 11th President of India. Yes, this is correct. So we can give T. Okay. So, okay, students, all of you write this textbook part and workbook part and send to me in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Have a nice day.